Hello, lovely Jane.
Hello, Jane. So, I live a beautiful life with a beautiful family, with lots of love and lots of happiness, but things were starting to get out of balance and I felt quite out of control and everything was sort of off the rails, so to speak. I was not eating well, not looking after my body and becoming not bitter and twisted, but not
kind of
bitter and twisted.
It's
actually
beginning to seep in. Yeah,
just like grumpy and snappy and not enjoying my job as much, and sometimes going to work and walking into my class and going, and I thought, this is not good. So
you're a teacher?
I'm a teacher.
Yep.
Yeah, and I thought, no, this is not how I am. So just explored some things and your site popped up, and then I decided, no, I don't need to do that. I can do it myself. So a few weeks went past and nothing really changed. I tried doing juicing and I tried doing fasting, water fasting, but I just kept falling off the rails again because stress kept overloading me. And so I eventually sort of decided that this is what I want to do, and your site just drew me back in again, and I kept going back to it, and then it was like, no, this has to happen. So here I am. Absolutely amazing, yes. The first I like to sort of be prepared for things, so I started fasting a day before I got here, just to make sure that I was well on the way. And little did I know that there was a reason for that, but that will be unfolded later. But yeah, no, I found probably day 3 and 4 were pretty intense. I just kept going, well, do I really want to be here? You know, my husband's at home, I'm missing my garden, I'm missing him, I'm missing all my stuff. And then the next day came and it was like, I feel quite good today. So yeah, there was a big downer, but there was lots of ups.
It's all a bit of a journey, isn't it?
Yeah.
Every day.
Yeah, and there was another wee downer later on, but that was due to another experience I had, which was quite emotional. So I just sort of slipped down a wee bit, but then came back up, and now I feel like $1 million. Highlights for me would be sort of being more focused on me and who I am, not so much of who I should be and what I should be doing and how I should behave, but more about how I need to behave to be me.
The true you.
The true me. Yeah, in the moment. And yeah, so that's a real highlight. The highlight is that realising that I don't need a lot of things around me, and I don't need people around me to actually be happy.
Yeah.
So I've actually managed to do that without my family, without my garden, without the things I normally do and have to make me feel happy. But yeah, just me. And I don't need an attachment to food and alcohol. I can still have an amazing, positive, beautiful day without needing those things as well. So I feel I'm in control, which is great. Like I can choose now if I want to have food or not, or if I want to have a glass of wine or not. I mean, it's not like it's a habit anymore. It's become my choice.
Yep.
Yeah. And just being healthy choices, like the juice have been amazing, and the broths have been... People can't read them.
Yeah, so when did you fill that out?
Day 1, yes, filled that out.
And then what happened?
We stapled it together and we put it in the back of our journal and read them today, and I'm basically 10 out of 10 for most of them, but a couple are 9s and 8s because I haven't had to experience the outside world yet. So 90%.
Yeah. So pretty awesome, right?
I'm stoked. Yeah. Well, I explored on your site the quantum
before you came?
Before I came, the quantum hypnosis, and I thought, that would be quite cool. But no, this is big enough. What I'm doing, this is for me all I can manage right now. And for some reason I started my juice fast a day earlier. Who knows why? But then Mary Jo, you offered me the quantum hypnosis and as part of my package, and finish a day early. And I jumped at it because I thought, yes, that would just be a way of sort of confirming what I thought my next step and my plan for my future progress. But what was unveiled was that my plan was actually not the right plan at all. And what came out of the hypnosis was this amazing answer to many questions that I had never even considered. So I've got another direction, which I think is a way more, I don't know, it seems way more sensible and way more connected with the whole family complexities that we've got going on. Just seems to make so much sense. That it's awesome. Yeah.
So now, can you even imagine not having the hypnosis?
No. I think, you know, my plan of going back, it would have been fine, but it wouldn't have been sort of the best plan for everybody. It probably would have been fine for me. The plan would have been more for myself and my husband, but this needs to be our whole extended family plan, and I think this looks at that, which is good. I'd just say go with your gut feeling, because you're obviously interested, you're obviously drawn to it, you're obviously inquisitive and curious, and that's all you need to open up and find out what really is going on. To trust and open, just trust really, and just relax, and everything just happens. Yeah, you don't have to do anything.
That's exactly.
That's exactly what you should do. Nothing, which is hard to do.
Our biggest challenge as humans, do nothing.
Because you want to take control all the time, but you just have to let the control go and just let it happen. And it's pretty amazing what happens.
So I don't know if you could add any more. I know it's early days and you have to listen to your recording more and integrate.
I think the control that I need to let go of is the control of the external, whereas I've got control over my internal, so I'm in balance and know what I need, but I shouldn't start deciding what other people need, you know, or think I know what they need, because I don't really. I just need to offer suggestions or let it happen, but not try and make a path or make a plan.
Or at least be able to know that plan is flexible.
It's flexible, and I don't always know the answer. I haven't got the right approach to everything. It can just be, you know, and be willing to change the pathway and just be more open to, just be more open really.
And like, can you feel now how, you know, how much pressure that takes off your shoulders compared to thinking you have to figure it all out?
You know, my shoulders already are starting to go back, and I just feel lighter, and I mean, I might have lost a couple of kilos, probably helps feeling lighter, but I just feel a lot lighter and more, clear, that's the word I'm after. Clarity, and balance. So I think I was wobbling a little bit before I came here. I was definitely not walking straight. I was falling off and getting back up and dusting myself off and going, she'll be right. Harden up. You know,
good Kiwi statements.
Exactly, but you don't want to harden up anymore. You've got to just like let it go and do the yin and the yang and bring it all together and balance.
All about the balance. And for somebody who's never did a juice fast, so you had done one before you came, and one of your concerns that I recall is that you were a bit concerned that there wouldn't be enough going on.
So loved the whole structure, because in the morning, you know, just the whole health body preparation before you start. I really loved all that sort of dry brushing and getting yourself ready, and then it's nice.
So in the morning, the morning ritual,
really
detox
nice.
tools,
detox tools, and then the lemon drink. I really love the lemon and hot water. I mean, I'm going to go home and do that. It's like the best way to start my day. And then the hour and a half of yoga and meditation, and then time to go to my room and maybe do another detox or have my juice, and then back for another hour session around lunchtime, 11:30, 12:30, and then have my juice, and then free until 5:30. So within that time, going to get the hair follicle
hair analysis.
Yeah, that was amazing. Going to the hot pools, going for beautiful walks up Conical Hill and through the forest and up to the ski field. I mean, yeah, it was a really good chunk of time to go and do something physical, because I think that's really important for me, is to not just sit in my room all day and read books, because that's not who I am. So I love to get out and do, and that was great. There was plenty to go out and see and do. And I went into town for cups of tea, looked through the shops. You know.
So you were a very active faster.
Yes.
Comparatively, you know, for somebody else it may be just a lot of rest that's needed. Yeah.
But for me, I liked, and I watched lots of DVDs as well, lots of really informative DVDs, read some books.
Massages.
So the massages, I forgot about them. 5 hours of massage was amazing. So it was just, it was
So were you bored in any way?
Never. Never. I think that was the, because it's up to you, it's you that you have to find a way to make yourself happy. So no one's going to do it for you in those spare time hours. So there was lots to do here. You just have to take the opportunity and enjoy the experience, really.
Yeah. And did you feel supported all the way through?
Totally, yeah. I mean, you were always here when I want to ask questions, when I want to do an extra meditation. It was like, and Steve was great with the cooking class that I'd had. It was fabulous in the kitchen cooking with Chef. So Master Chef has nothing on Steve. He's great. So it was, there was like a family. It was so warm and welcoming, and I just felt like home, really.
Yeah.
Sitting out in the beautiful garden when it was sunny, and lying on the lounger and getting a tan. So, it was all the stuff I do at home, but I didn't have the pressures of people and jobs and issues. And then talk to others and hear their journeys and what they've been through and why they're here. So it's been really nice, sort of swapping time stories, and it was good.
Seeing a mixture of people come and go, enjoying the retreat as well. Yeah,
that's good.
Yeah, awesome.
And different reasons they're here, and
wonderful. Let me see, is there any other question? What else could we ask you? I think you've done a wonderful job. Thank you so much for sharing about your journey.
Thank you.
It's been so beautiful to share this with you. I'm going to come round now and give you a hug.
Oh, cool.
And I want to hear more as you listen to your quantum and integrate the recording.
Yes.